What's up guys, thank you for tuning in to the channel. Today we are just replacing a broken Audi key with a new Audi key. As you can see, the metal piece right here is broken, which means I cannot put this key on a keychain, which is very annoying. So to do this job, for the factory key, you will need a T6 and a T5 for the Torx bolts that hold it. I got this kit off Amazon. It's only $10. There's a link in the bio below. Just wanted to share because you do need these tools before you take this key apart, and this is just a very handy kit to have. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna take the old key here. There's a little ridge right up here. Put that in. We're just gonna pop that out like so. Next, you're gonna wanna grab your T4. So it looks like these are T4s and this one is a T5. Just a little bit bigger, because you know Audi's not just gonna make them the same size. I like to open the key first. Now you can pull it apart, but this is spring loaded right here. So you kind of want to keep this part together because you don't want your spring flying out and going everywhere. So push down the little button, and that way we can keep it together. It looks like just a broken piece. So to keep the spring from shooting out, pull it out like so. This circuit board, you're gonna have to take this whole thing out and put it inside this key as well. All right, so we have the old shell here. Here's the new key. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off this. Remember, this is only Phillips. They're all the same size. My bigger screwdriver here is it's a little bit too big to fit in these holes. It'll work for this one right here, but basically I need a smaller one. So I got a little guy for my eyeglasses repair kit. So we're just repeating the same process here. We're opening this up. Doesn't really matter on this side as much because see how it just pops apart like that? That's what you don't want to happen, but this is going to be placed. I'll probably put this new spring and this new piece in here because it's more shiny. So this is the factory piece and this is the aftermarket piece. It doesn't have a rubber seal on it. I actually kind of want to keep this rubber seal because I like the idea that it would block water from coming in here. So I'm gonna reuse this back piece. And I also like it better because it has a logo already installed, so don't have to go through any hassle here. So we're gonna not use this new piece. We're gonna use this piece right here. So this has some dings on it, so we're gonna replace this out. There's a little notch on the inside of there. That little spring kind of sets in there. So you just kind of put it and spin it until you feel it lock in. So if you're actually reusing the bottom piece, you actually don't need to pop this piece out. We're gonna put this piece right back in. So now we're gonna take the new piece, we're gonna fit it on with this key. So remember, the one that comes with the new key won't be cut. So we're just removing this whole piece and we're putting this whole piece in. All right, so when lining this piece up, there's really only one way this piece can go in. Just twist it till it falls into place. So this little piece of the spring right here, it goes on that notch right there. Then you want to spin it. So that way when I push this key, it'll pop open. So when you have tension built on it, you want to hold it, line up that top piece, and then So I like to test the key first before I put everything back together. Make sure that it opens how you want it to. If not, you can put a little bit more pressure on it so it clicks open harder. But mine is just fine. Actually, I'm gonna twist it one more time. I don't like how hard, I want it to kick up harder. So now that I have it twisted again, I'm holding the panic button, holding the key in so it doesn't move. And we're gonna try to lock up this. Line up that panic button. Again, before you screw it, now check the key. See, now the key's kicking harder. That's what I like. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is how you switch the battery key over. Again, I switched it again because this little thing was broken here. Nothing was wrong with the internals of the key. If you actually have to switch out the microchip, you will have to get it programmed in here. Switching the battery is just as easy as popping out this top and getting it done. If this video helped you at all, please leave a like in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it, guys.